Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Add to Cart button not showing in the Shopify Dawn theme. This issue can happen for several reasons, including theme settings, product availability, inventory configuration, app conflicts, or custom code changes. The good news is, in most cases, it's easy to fix. I'll walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps so you can get your product pages working properly again. Let's get started. The first place to check is your theme settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to Online Store, followed by Themes. Find your active Dawn theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. If the issue appears on your Collections pages, use the page selector at the top and choose Collections, then Default Collection. On the left sidebar, open the Product Grid section. Depending on your Dawn version, you'll see options such as Quick Add or Show Add to Cart. Make sure these options are enabled if you want customers to add products directly from Collections pages. After making any changes, click Save. Next, check your product page settings. In the theme editor, switch to Products, then Default Product. Open the Buy Buttons block on the left. Confirm that the Buy Buttons block hasn't been hidden or accidentally removed. If it has been removed, click Add Block and add the Buy Buttons block back to the product template. Also check Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons is enabled if you want accelerated checkout options like Shop Pay or PayPal to appear alongside the Add to Cart button. Now let's verify your product settings. Return to your Shopify admin and go to Products. Open one of the products that's experiencing the issue. First, make sure the product status is set to active rather than draft or archived. Then scroll to the Sales Channels section and confirm the product is available on the online store sales channel. If it isn't, customers won't be able to purchase it through your website. Next, review the inventory settings. If Track Quantity is enabled and the inventory has reached 0 while overselling is not allowed, Shopify may hide purchasing options, depending on your configuration. Update the inventory quantity if needed, or enable the option to continue selling when out of stock if that matches your business needs. If your products have variants such as size or color, make sure each variant has valid pricing and availability. Sometimes only certain variants are unavailable, which can affect how the purchase buttons display. Test by selecting different variants on the product page to see if the Add to Cart button reappears. Another common cause is your browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the page. You can also open your store in an incognito window or try another browser entirely. Testing on a different device or a mobile network can help determine whether the issue is specific to your browser rather than your Shopify store. If the problem started after installing a new app, there may be a compatibility issue. Apps that modify product pages, subscriptions, bundles, pre-orders, product options, or custom checkout experiences can sometimes interfere with the Dawn theme. Temporarily disable recently installed apps one at a time and check whether the Add to Cart button returns. If you've edited your theme code recently, open Online Store, Themes, click the three-dot menu, then choose Edit Code. Review any recent changes you made to product templates or liquid files. Even a small coding error can prevent important sections from loading correctly. If you have a backup of your theme, compare the files or restore a previous version if necessary. Finally, preview your store from the storefront rather than the theme editor and test several different products. This helps confirm whether the issue affects all products or only specific ones, making it much easier to identify the underlying cause. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.